Hey everyone! Looking for the best blender for frozen fruit, smoothies, and ice crushing in 2026? In today's video, I'm reviewing the top 6 powerful blenders that are perfect for fitness fans, home cooks, and tech lovers. From high-speed smoothie makers to professional countertop blenders, these picks deliver power, performance, and value. Let's find the perfect blender for your kitchen setup today. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product smart kitchen reviews.
Product number 1. NutriBullet SmartSense Blender. The NutriBullet SmartSense Blender is one of the smartest and most versatile blenders for frozen fruit in 2026. I really love how this blender combines intelligent technology with serious blending power. Its responsive auto-sensing system adjusts speed and timing automatically, making smoothie preparation incredibly simple for beginners and experienced users alike. Whether you're blending frozen berries, bananas, ice, or protein shakes, the SmartSense handles everything smoothly without leaving chunks behind. Another thing that impressed me is the sleek, modern design and user-friendly controls. The large pitcher capacity makes it perfect for families, meal prep, or fitness enthusiasts who make multiple smoothies daily. The motor delivers excellent crushing performance while staying relatively quiet compared to other high-powered blenders. Cleaning is also quick and easy, which is a huge bonus for busy home cooks. If you want a premium blender with smart features and reliable frozen fruit performance, this is definitely a top contender worth considering.
Product number 2. Beast Mega 1200 Plus. The Beast Mega 1200 Plus stands out with its stylish design and impressive blending performance. If you love modern kitchen gadgets that look premium while delivering professional-level results, this blender is an excellent choice. I found it especially effective for frozen fruit smoothies, protein shakes, and healthy breakfast drinks. Its powerful 1200-watt motor easily crushes frozen strawberries, mango chunks, and ice within seconds. One feature I really appreciate is the durable blending system that creates incredibly smooth textures without overheating the ingredients. The compact design also makes it perfect for smaller kitchens, apartments, or minimalist setups. Fitness fans will love the portable blending containers that are easy to carry to the gym or office. Despite its smaller size, the Beast Mega 1200 Plus delivers strong performance, comparable to larger countertop blenders. The controls are simple, the build quality feels premium, and the blending consistency is outstanding. Overall, it's a stylish, powerful, and practical blender for everyday frozen fruit recipes.
Product number 3. Ninja Full-Size Blender. The Ninja Full-Size Blender is a fantastic option for anyone who wants powerful blending performance at a reasonable price. I've always liked Ninja blenders because they combine affordability with strong ice-crushing power, and this model is no exception. It handles frozen fruit effortlessly, creating smooth smoothies, frozen drinks, and creamy shakes in seconds. The powerful blade system works incredibly well with tough ingredients like frozen pineapple, ice cubes, and nuts. Another advantage is the large pitcher capacity, which makes it ideal for families or entertaining guests. You can prepare multiple servings in one batch without needing constant refills. The control panel is easy to understand, making it beginner-friendly for everyday use. I also appreciate the sturdy construction and dishwasher-safe components that simplify cleanup. For home cooks and smoothie lovers who want reliable performance without spending premium money, the Ninja Full-Size Blender delivers excellent value. It's powerful, practical, and highly dependable for frozen fruit blending and daily kitchen tasks.
Product number 4. Ninja Professional Blender. The Ninja Professional Blender continues to be one of the most popular blenders for frozen fruit and smoothie lovers. After testing it, I can see exactly why so many people recommend it. The high-powered motor, combined with Ninja's total crushing technology, delivers impressive blending results every time. Frozen fruit, ice, nuts, and even thick smoothie bowls become perfectly smooth within seconds. What I really enjoy about this blender is its consistent performance and large blending capacity. It's great for families, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone who prepares multiple smoothies daily. The controls are straightforward and easy to use, even if you're new to countertop blenders. The durable pitcher feels strong and reliable for long-term use.
Another big plus is how quickly it crushes ice for frozen drinks and summer recipes. If you want a dependable blender that offers professional-level performance without an overly expensive price tag, the Ninja Professional Blender is definitely one of the best choices available in 2026.
Product number 5. NutriBullet Power Core Blender. The NutriBullet Power Core Blender is designed for people who want simplicity, convenience, and strong smoothie-making performance. I really like how compact yet powerful this blender feels during everyday use. Despite its smaller design, it handles frozen fruit surprisingly well, producing smooth and creamy textures with minimal effort. It's perfect for quick breakfast smoothies, post-workout protein shakes, or healthy snack recipes. One standout feature is the efficient blending system that reduces chunks and delivers consistent results quickly. The simple controls make it beginner-friendly, while the lightweight design makes storage easier for smaller kitchens. Fitness fans will appreciate how fast it prepares nutritious drinks without taking up too much counter space. Cleaning is also very easy since the blending cups are dishwasher safe. For anyone looking for an affordable and practical blender for frozen fruit, the NutriBullet Power Core Blender offers excellent everyday performance. It's compact, reliable, and ideal for busy lifestyles focused on healthy eating and convenience.
Product number 6. Chefman Obliterator 48-ounce Countertop Blender. The Chefman Obliterator 48-ounce Countertop Blender has one of the most unique names on this list, but its performance is just as impressive. I was genuinely surprised by how effectively this blender handles frozen fruit, thick smoothies, and ice-heavy drinks. Its strong motor and sharp blade system work together to create smooth blends with very little effort. Whether you're making frozen berry smoothies or creamy protein shakes, this blender performs consistently well. The 48-ounce pitcher size is ideal for families, meal prep, or preparing larger servings. I also like the modern control interface, which feels intuitive and easy to operate. The sturdy design gives it a premium appearance without the extremely high price tag of some competitors. Another major advantage is its versatility for soups, sauces, and frozen desserts. For home cooks and smoothie enthusiasts who want strong blending performance and solid value, the Chefman Obliterator is a surprisingly powerful choice that deserves serious attention in 2026. Thanks for watching my top 6 best blenders for frozen fruit review. I hope this video helped you find the perfect blender for smoothies, frozen drinks, and healthy recipes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Check the links below for prices and details.